Good job. Just drive with the speed. Good job. Okay, 2 times. Good. Yes, practice speed. Speed, speed, speed. Wow. How you feel?
I feel confident.
Okay, are you ready now?
Yes.
All right.
Ready,
Okay,
yeah.
we go to the rice paddy to practice. All right. Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
let's go.
She's coming. She drive by herself already to the road. Yes. Good job. Okay.
Okay.
How you feel?
Very nice. I even feel that I can go more speed.
Okay, later
Yes.
I will teach you how to going down, up, and then down, up. This is kind of like you're not, I don't see you feel comfortable yet,
Yes.
whereas the road going down and going up, going down. But now to the main road, I think it's you okay. You do good.
let's go. I think from the beginning I felt very stressed and my body was very stoned. And now in like 1 hour, maybe more, a little bit more, I feel more relaxed and I don't need to control everything. So I think that it's easy and it's possible to learn how to drive bike
Yes.
in a few hours, really.
Good.
But you need a very good instructor.
Yeah. Besides that, you need a good teacher also.
Yes, yes. And but you need to have a very good
Teacher.
teacher practices
Explain.
and he has to feel you how you feel the bike and how you react to the different instructions.
That's good, because the way I teach, I can feel body to body, and then how good you are, and then before I let you drive on the main roads, like start from the beginning, the second, and then now on the main road. Now later maybe you practice going down, up, and then down, up. Okay?
Okay.
Have a good time.
Thank you.
All right, with view, nice, the rice paddy.